In today's video, we will talk about how users of .NET Report Builder can customize their reports. We'll talk about two specific features. The first one being how users can add company logos and header text to their reports. And the second one being how they can change the color of the report text as well as the background on their reports. So in order to demo this, I'll go ahead and navigate to our website, www.dotnetreport.com, and click into our live demo page. As you can see, this live demo page has been created to simulate a sample application for our customers, where they have some software in which the reporting and dashboarding capability from .NET Report Builder has been embedded. So now we'll click it into the custom report section. And in this custom report section, you see the report builder main page. In the main page, we have the ability to manage reports, create a new report, click into one of our folders to be able to run existing reports. So if I click on any one of these reports right now, you'll see that this report has no header logo. It just has the title of the report, a description, as well as the content of the report. Now, if I wanted to add a header, I can click on this button here that says report header. And when I click it, you'll see that there is an option to use a report header. Once I click that button, I get the ability to add a header. And for the header, I can either add text or I can add an image. So in my example, I'll go ahead and add an image, which will be the logo of our company, .NET Report. And I'll hit Save Changes. And once these changes have been saved, I can go back to that same report. And now when I run it, I'll be able to see our company logo in here. So you see that this is a really easy way for us to customize our reports to make them more easily recognizable as a report generated by our company. And a lot of our customers use these features in order to make their reports unique. Now, the second feature that I wanted to talk about was the ability to change the colors of the actual reports that you see here. So things like changing the background colors on the headers, changing the color on the text, changing, the font if it's bold or not. Those features are also included out of the box in .NET Report Builder. So to demonstrate that, I'll go ahead and click Edit Report. And once I click Edit Report, I can go into the section called Selected Data for Report, where I see all my data that populates the report. And for each of these sections, there is a little cog icon called More Options. When I click on More Options, this is where I can see the ability to do a lot of different changes to the data and in the way that it's showing into the report. I can do things like change the label, I can change the alignment of the text. And specifically for today's purposes, I can change the colors on the background as well as the text. So as an example, I'll go ahead and change this background color here to a dark gray on the header. And I'll hit Save Change. And once this change has been saved, I can go ahead and run report. And you'll see now that the order date data column has a header that's gray in color. Now, if I like this color and I want to replicate it on the other columns, I can click Edit Report again. And now instead of going into each column one by one and making the changes, I can go back to my same first column and click on this icon, which will apply this change to all the other columns. Now, if I hit Save Change and click Save and Run Report, you will see that all of the icons are now gray. In the same vein, we can also change the colors on the body here of the background as well as the text. So go ahead and click Edit Report again and go back here to the same cog icon and say, well, for the background and the text, I want the background to be, let's say, a blue. And I'll apply to everything. And the text color, let's say I want it to be a white. And again, I'll apply to all of them. I'll hit Save Changes. Now when I hit Run Report, you will see that I can see all of the colors changed, blue and white. The last thing that I wanted to demo was the ability to make these text bold. So if I again click on this cog icon, I can say make the header text bold, make the main text bold. If I hit save changes now, and I hit save and run report, now I can see that everything has changed to a bold pattern. So again, very easy ways for us to change the way a report looks so that it's a little bit more readable, a little bit more unique, so that the end users find it more useful. If you like to see these features or read more details about these features or other features in our reports, please go ahead and go to www.dotnetreport.com and click on our knowledge base to learn more. You can also go to our YouTube page to see more videos like this, or you can also schedule a demo with us and we'll be glad to show you these features and many others and how .NET Report Builder can help you with your report building needs. Thank you.